Hello friends, today we are reading Air and Water chapter. So let us start the reading without wasting a time. Air is present all around us. It cannot be seen, smelled, tasted, or heard, but can only be felt. We breathe in air to live. Water covers about 70% of the Earth's surface in the form of ocean. It also constitutes 60 to 75% of our body weight. Water performs a number of important functions in our body and we cannot live without it. Both air and water are precious gifts of nature found on the earth. Now let's read atmosphere. Atmosphere is surrounded by a thick layer of air is called atmosphere. The atmosphere makes life possible on the earth. It is a mixture of gases. It contains the most important gas called oxygen required for breathing. Air also contains carbon dioxide, which is raw material required by plants and for photosynthesis. The ozone layer present in the atmosphere blocks the harmful radiation of the sun from reaching the earth's surface. No living being can survive without this protective covering on the earth. The ultraviolet rays from the sun can cause skin cancer. The atmosphere maintains the right temperature on the earth. It prevents the temperature from rising very high during daytime and becoming very low after the sunset. The atmosphere also prevents the meteors from heating the earth as they are burnt on entering from hitting the earth as they burnt on entering through several layers of the earth's atmosphere. Layers of atmosphere. Troposphere. This is the innermost layer of the atmosphere and is nearest to the ground. It extends up to 7 kilometers to 17 kilometers above the earth. Most of the weather changes take the place in troposphere. Living being can breathe comfortably in this layer. The air becomes thinner on going higher and the amount of oxygen decrease. Stratosphere. Air is thinner than troposphere. In this second layer of the atmosphere, it extends from 17 kilometer to 50 kilometer above the earth. The ozone layer is part of the layer. Some planes fly in this layer to avoid weather disturbance. Mesosphere. This is the third layer that extends from 50 kilometer to 85 kilometer. The meteors are burnt in this layer upon entering the atmosphere. Okay, this much clear. Now the thickest layer. It is also the layer of the atmosphere, and it is the fourth layer. The layer is the thickest layer of the world, of the Earth's atmosphere, not of world, same atmosphere, ranging from 85 kilometer to 800 kilometer. The space shuttles orbit in this layer at height of 320 kilometer to 380 kilometer. ऐसे ही कुछ है. Exosphere. This is the outermost layer where air gets very thin. Artificial satellites are launched. This layer beyond exosphere in the vast empty space. Another layer called ionosphere overlaps both exosphere and thermosphere. This layer helps in propagation of radio waves and reflect back the radio signal transmitted from the earth to all around world or earth. Air. Composition of air. Air is a mixture of many colorless gases. Some of the gases are present in it are nitrogen, oxygen, carbon dioxide, argon. Argon is another gas. You will listen this first time or seniors listen this many times. Hydrogen, helium. Helium is present in the balloons and neon and ozone. Air also contains water vapor, dust particles, smoke, pollen and spores. Clean air has no color, taste or smell. So how do we know that air exists? Perform activity. ये एक्टिविटी आपको करनी है और आप अगर करोगे तो ठीक है, नहीं तो मत करना. Put a straw in the glass of water and blow into it. You will see bubbles. You will see bubbles forming. The bubbles pop or burst as they reach the surface. These are air bubbles. Okay? Perform this activity. You will get some fun. Now come on the topic. Oxygen make up 21% of the air. This is the most important component of the air as it supports life on the earth. Burning is possible only in the presence of oxygen. Nitrogen constitutes 78% of the air. Plants and animals cannot use this oxygen directly. Some bacteria present in the soil fix nitrogen for them. The plants also get these compounds from fertilizers. Animals get nitrogen when they eat plants and other animals. Other gases are present in the traces and make up the remaining 1% of the air. Carbon dioxide is an important gas that is used by the plants to make their own food and by the process of photosynthesis. Argon is a colorless and odorless gas that is used in making bulbs and fluorescent tubes. Helium is used to fill balloons. I said it sometime later also. Helium is used to fill balloons because it is lighter than air. Neon gas is used for glowing signboard. Air contains water in the form of water vapor. Due to heat from the sun, water from ocean and other water body evaporates and form clouds. Air, a mixture of gas, also characteristics of its own.